option, it's a contract between a buyer and a seller whereby it gives the buyer the ability to buy a stock at a predetermined fixed price, referred to as the strike price. The easiest way to understand this is to go through an actual example. So let's say we're looking at Facebook and you anticipate the stock price to surge between now and let's say a week from now. The closest contract that you have, it's the one which expires on October 16th, and today it's October the 10th. So you elect to buy one contract with the stock option price at $3.40. So the difference between ask, bid, and midpoint is that the ask is what the seller is asking for each stock option. The bid is what the buyers are typically bidding for, and then the midpoint, it's the midpoint between the two. If you buy the stock option under market conditions, you're essentially buying what the seller is asking for, so it's $3.40. And you need to select the buy to open to buy one contract. Each contract has 100 options, so essentially if you buy a contract which will expire on October 16th to buy the stock at 267.50, then you're essentially buying 100 options. So it's going to be 100 stocks if you decide to exercise that. And in this case, it will cost you $340, which is the 3.40 times the 100 options within one contract. And let's say that the stock price actually goes to 272.50. In that case, between now and October 16th, in that case, you'll have $5 profit because you will be able to buy the stock at 267.50 and sell it at 272.50, which is $5. So that's your margin on the actual transaction, but then you actually spent $340. So if you had 100 stocks that you bought and then sold, and then you had a $5 margin on that transaction itself, you have $500 revenues, less the maximum loss, which is essentially the cost that you put in, $340, then your profit is $160. So essentially the contract in itself worked out in this scenario, but let's say that it does not, meaning that the stock price does not move above 267.50 and you do not elect to exercise, then in that case the maximum loss that you have is $340. Thanks again for watching this video. Please come back. We'll follow up with some additional videos as well. Thank you.